And this one is sobrang, actually yung last year natin, yun yung sobrang challenging year of isa sa entire life natin is yun, yung last year. Dami nating na-achieve at the same time, dami nangyari. So yeah, pagpatuloy lang natin. And again, sana supportahan nyo ako, and maraming salamat sa inyo. Kasi kung wala kayo, hindi tayo makakapag-create ng video. And hindi tayo makakapag-create ng content na ganito. So honestly, way back when I started this, hindi naman talaga yung viewers or yung yung hanap natin. So talagang, kumbaga, I just wanted to film, I just wanted to share my knowledge, I just wanted to shoot and makapag-share at the same time, makapag-explore, because we are still experimenting into things na yung mga bagay-bagay like here sa films and photography. Marami tayong tututunan and matututunan pa. So i-continue lang natin to. So asahan nyo guys, and especially sa drone. Actually, isa sa mga malalaking views ko is regarding sa drone. So yeah, I've been shooting drone for more than 10 years na. So isi-share natin yung knowledge natin doon. Marami tayong natutunan sa pag-drone. Kung may katanungan kayo regarding that, so comment nyo lang kahit ano guys, as long as kaya natin gawin na video. Ayun guys, again, this is Elton Jukino of Hobbies and Collection. Thank you for watching, and in the bottom of my heart, thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Peace.